Stop. Before you buy local AI, there's something you need to see first. Because most people today are using tools like ChatGPT and other AI platforms that run completely in the cloud. Which means your data, ideas, prompts and client information are being processed on someone else's servers. But what if you could run powerful AI directly on your own computer, with no internet required, no subscriptions and no third-party tracking? In this video, I'm going to show you a complete walkthrough of local AI, how it works, what it can do and how you can get my exclusive bonus bundle if you decide to pick it up. Let's get started. But before we jump into the walkthrough, if you decide to pick up local AI through the link in the description, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle completely free. These bonuses will help you use AI to create content faster and monetize AI tools for online income. So make sure you grab it through my link below to unlock those bonuses. Now let's take a look inside local AI. Key benefits. Here are some of the main benefits of local AI. First, complete privacy. Your prompts and data never leave your computer. Second, no monthly subscription fees. You pay once and use the software forever. Third, no third-party dependency. You're not relying on external AI platforms that can limit or suspend your account. And finally, unlimited usage. You can use the AI as much as your computer hardware allows. Now let's talk about the bonuses you'll get if you purchase through my link. I've created 2 bonuses that perfectly complement this software. Bonus number 1: AI Content Creation Blueprint. This guide shows you how to use AI tools to create blog content, social media posts and digital products, so you can start producing content faster using AI. Bonus number 2: AI Side Hustle Monetization Guide. In this bonus training you'll learn how to turn AI tools into income streams by offering AI services on Fiverr, creating digital products and starting a small AI content agency. This will help you actually make money using AI tools like local AI. So if you want to check out local AI and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Grab local AI, unlock the bonus bundle, and start running your own private AI directly on your computer today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.